So last our last topic was there electric potential due to electric potential due to dipole at any point at any point. What was the application? The formula is electric potential represented by V is Kp by R square and cosine of theta. Is that clear? And further the expression can be corrected here more 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by R square and cosine of theta. I don't write here this k in place of k, the 1 by 4 pi epsilon. It's a complex appearance right now. So, but you just remember here the value of k is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay. So this theta, you just may see here, there is a dipole. Okay. The dipole system is here. At any point, mean here it is any point. Means this is its origin. The point P, the position vector of point P with respect to O is making angle theta. If this point P will lie here on the axial position, is that clear? If the point will lie here, P dash. So then theta will here, the position vector. This position vector will make here, what angle it will make here? This 0 angle. So for this purpose, we can put in the place of theta 0, and when you calculate the potential, electrostatic potential due to dipole at a point on the axial position. Similarly, if this point is lying at equatorial position, obviously, so at equatorial position, what will be it is? The angle will be 90 degree, 90 degree, theta will 90 here. Right now, this is the case here that we can find out the electric potential due to a dipole at equatorial position and at axial position. At equatorial position, you will see the theta will here take 90 and cosine of 90 0. It means that electrostatic potential at here is 0. Equatorial, so different way they are that day I told you. So, right now, today we are discussing this is a system of two charges. Right now we are discussing superposition principle. Not only the two charges are there, many charges are there. Like that, I'm checking here. Suppose we can get the charge one charge is at here, it's a q1, another charge is here, it's a q2, another charge is here, it's a q3, okay, and some more charges are there, it's a qn. Clear or not? Many charges are there in the space, right? And there we want to find out the potential at this p point. We want to find the potential at this point. So how can we find out the potential at this p point? Simple it is. So obviously they all q1, q2, q3, qn will have their own position vector. Right now, so we just want to find out the position vector. It's p point here. Here its position vector is what here? Position vector of p with respect to 1. Position vector of p with respect to 1. Okay. This is the position vector of what we get 2p, and this the position vector here will 3p, and this will be position vector here r and p. Clear? Because you already have studied in the previous class, right, that I'm telling there is x and y axis, xy plane, it's a x axis and it's y axis. There is certain point here, point p, okay, and there is certain point q there, right? So its position vector with respect to origin is r1 and its position vector is r2. So I want to find out the position vector of p with respect to q. How can we find out this? I will join p to q and direction of this position vector away from p, and this and this to this. Is that clear? So what are the two directions are here? You may see it's a r1, okay, it's a r1 or it's a del r, we are just looking here. And also we can give this the position vector of q. Position vector of p also can be given here, this position vector of p with respect to second. Is that it? So by triangle of vector addition, this r1 vector plus r12 vector, what is the triangle of vector addition? The triangle of vector addition, two continuous vector gives the sum which is equal to the third closing vector, this third closing vector. So it shall be r2 here. So r12 is equal to, what will it is? And it's also we get for position vector of its position vector p to q we are just doing. So q with respect to 1. Clear? 1 with respect to Q also, means position vector of P with respect to Q R12, and position vector Q with respect to P is R21. So R21 also can be written here, and R12 can also be written here. So R12 is equal to R2 minus R1. This is that here. Means these two position vector are taken as a difference. Right now I will just keep the will take vector over them for making vector appearance. Is that clear? Right now. So this is that. Same manner here. This is not origin. This P is not origin. Right now. This is also a point in this space. It will also have some position vector. So its position vector is RP. Its position vector is RP. So I want to find out the position vector of Q1 with respect to. So RP means position vector of P with respect to Q1. What will be position vector? R1P. It will be R1P. Position vector of Q2 with respect to P, R2P. Position vector of Q3 with respect to P is R3P. Similarly, n charges are there. So right now, so we are finding here electric potential. Just go and write electric potential at a point due to a system of charge. What shall be? Okay. So what we will describe here, simply let or consider Q1, Q2, Q3 Qn are the charges with their position vector with their position vector. Do you know why do we write here the position vector of the charges here? The reason is that the position vector of the charges is written for because the formula of the vector, formula of the potential involved, the distance between the charges here. Right now, what is the formula potential? V is equal to K, here will be something, and it shall be an example is there, I am giving you R square right now, where R is the distance between the charge and the point of observation and the point of influence where you want to find out the electrostatic potential. Right now, so we are giving here the position vector. Clear? So Q1, Q2, Q3 are Qn are the charges with their position vector. What their position vector? With their position vectors R1, R2, R3 what is Rn. These are the position vector with respect to origin. Right now, but we want to find out the position with respect to P. So it shall be with respect to 1P, and it will be 2P, and it will be 3P, and with respect NP. Is that clear? Here you will write it with respect to P point. P has its own position vector RP. Is that clear? The point P, okay. The potential we have to find out this right now. Point P, where electric potential is to be calculated. As we have given the definition of electrostatic potential, what is it is numerically equal to, just you, we found here the work and total divided by this. Is that clear? This is the potential at a point is the amount of work done in bringing the Q naught, a test charge, from infinity to that point. So obviously we will bring here the different area, and work is a scalar quantity. Right now, it means if we want to calculate the electrostatic potential at P, means we'll need to do the work against Q1, Q2, Q3 right now. So for calculating the work done, total work done will be there. Work is a scalar quantity, so obviously the minus will not be involved here. Clear? So we need to calculate the work done, total work done at a P point, any charge at P point, against the repulsion due to Q1, Q2, Q3 and all the charges present here, right? This is the basic formula for the potential. So the point where electrostatic potential is to be calculated right now. So the potential will be the sum of all right now. Therefore the total potential the total potential. Total potential. The word total potential I am using. Why I am using total potential? Because it's not a net word is to be used. Because potential due to position vector cannot be cancelled. It could be cancelled due to the negativity of the charge, but total is why it is being written for the scalar. Clear? Total potential. What will be total potential? We are representing it. This is that. Okay, V. So it shall be potential P due to we are just giving the representation V1, V2, V3. V1 plus V2, V3 dot dot dot, it shall be Vn. Means where the V1, V2, V3 and V4 dot 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 Vn are the potential due to different charges present here. Clear? And what shall be it is? What is V1? Formula of V is what? Formula K, it's here what will come? Speak this here. P, no, P will not be K, just write only K Q1 Q2 divided by R. This is the work done we found, and the charge which is to be brought is not to be written here right now. So we write the formula for this is the work done, and for potential K Q1 by R means due to what the potential is developing here. Right now this is the source charge. So potential due to one charge is there. So here we will write here K Q1 by what is the position vector of that? We'll write here P with respect position vector of P with respect to 1. So we will write here P1. Okay, position vector, is that clear or not right now? So we will write here 1P plus K and Q2. What is that here? It's a 2P, and further we'll write K Q3. What's that? R3P and dot 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 to the last here K Q4 divided what? It's R and P. Clear or not? So these are all the potential. What is common in them? I think K is common then, as this is electrostatic constant, and here will be Q1 and it's R1P plus Q2 and it's R2P plus further Q3 R3P dot dot dot, furthermore it's Qn divided RnP. Right now further this expression cannot be solved here. Clear? So Q1, Q2, Q3 dot dot Qn. There the charge is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Quantize the charges. However, the charge is continuous here. So total. So the total potential can be here. The total potential can be K times summation of all Qi's. Summation of all Qi divided by Rip, where I begins to 1 and up to n. Is that clear? This is the general expression for the total potential due to a system of charge. Is that clear? For the continuity of the charges, you see on the NCERT textbook what is given here. To see the charge distribution means the charge will be there right now. If the charge will be a continuous distribution means here you may see RP, the position vector will change with this where the charge is located here. If for the continuous distribution means there is the length conductor, conductor with the length, there is the conductor with what will speak here, area, conductor with area, and here the spherical conductor or the volumetric conductor, it has the volume something certain right now. So we want to find out the electrostatic potential due to this. So total charge will be distributed throughout the length right now. So the concept what involves here, lambda is equal to Q and divided by its length here. So total charge will be taken as a Q is equal to lambda into L, and here will continuous charge distribution due to surface will here will be replaced by sigma into area, and here rho into the total charge in this case will be given as sigma into area. Total charge in this case it was given as rho into volume. Right now, so in the case of the continuous distribution, what is the meaning of continuous distribution? I have given the charge throughout the length, the charge will distribute it right now. So if each length, the small piece of length, right now this is the small piece of length in which we speak here about dl. So it is not a length. Now we can consider it is a length of charge, because throughout the length the charge has been distributed. Is that clear? So charge you have given a shape. However, the charge does not have a shape, but you have distributed the charge throughout that. Just like if we pour the water on the surface, what happens? The water try to occupy the maximum area of the surface. Is that clear? So each surface, each integral part of the surface is representing the water has area. The now you have divided, you have given the shape to water as area. Is that clear now? Similarly, if you pour water into container in a cylinder, what happens? Water takes the shape of volume. It means now a small integral of volume will speak here. This is not the volume of cylinder. This is the volume of water he will speak here. The same happens. Flow charge has the nature to flow. Right now, if you give the charge to a body, it try to occupy the maximum length, try to occupy the maximum surface area and maximum volume. Is that clear? This is called the continuous distribution of the charge. Like a string is continuous, the charge is also continuous. Right now, the concept you have studied in mathematics, continuity of a function. Is that clear? The same the things is taught in the students for the same purpose. Is that clear? So continuity, for if the charge is continuous, you may just write down here this. Please go on writing and have a note down this. Have noted this? Please note this. Done? Okay. Now look, numerical questions. We are solving a numerical question. 2.2. Two charges. Please write a question. Okay. Two charges, 3 into 10 raised to the power minus n and minus 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 8. Okay. Question number 2 we are solving here. Okay. Two charges here. One charge is at here. Q1 is equal to 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 coulomb, and Q2 charge is minus 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 8 coulomb. The two charges are here. Okay. Go on writing. Are located 15 centimeter apart. Are located 50 centimeter apart. Means one charge is here. It's called Q1. The another charge is also here. It's called Q2. Negative or positive? The next charge is negative here. Or positive. One charge is negative, the other charge is positive. This is Q2. The amount of since here and Q1 and it's Q2. What is the distance between them? The distance between them is 15 centimeter apart. Okay? Go on writing this. At what point on the line joining the charges? Is that clear? At what point on the line joining the charges? There are two lines, 2 points are there, charges are there, and this is the line which is joining the two charges. The questionnaire is asking where the electrostatic potential is zero. We want to find out the point where the electrostatic potential is zero. Is that clear? Means here it is a negative, it is a positive, right? So here the some point will be there, some point is there. He is asking obviously potential due to this Q1 will be near this positive potential here will be, and negative potential is never negative obviously. Is that clear? The negativity due to the Q2 here. So here will be some potential, right? The potential due to Q1 will be here, and here the potential also, but there are certain points where we can calculate the total potential, where we can calculate the total potential due to Q1 and Q2. Obviously, the negativity of the Q2 will make the reduce the potential, obviously, or it can reduce up to the zero also, right? If both the charges are positive, then potential can never be zero between them. Is that clear or not? Right? So this is a developing, or is it a dipole here? Is it a dipole? No, this is a not a dipole. Why? Because you may see this is not dipole. Why? Because Q1 mod is not equal to Q2. And you forgot the definition here. What is the definition of electric dipole? A system of two equal and opposite. Equal and opposite. One Q is Q1 is 3 into 10 to the power minus 8. Minus 8 is there. And minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 8. The amount of charge is not same. They are not forming a dipole. Dipole must have the equal amount of charges. But sign is opposite. Clear? This is not a dipole forming. So we'll consider there is a P point, suppose. Okay, there is a P point which is at x distance from the left. So what will be the distance of P point from the Q2? It will be 15 minus x. Okay, and both the distances are given in the centimeter. Clear right now? So we are to find out the total potential. Tell please, what will be the total potential? Very simple. So we'll consider here, let the point P is at x distance from the Q1. Okay, therefore let the point P where electric potential is 0. Okay, it is at x distance from Q1. Okay, therefore what is therefore 15 minus x centimeter is the distance from Q2. So much language you just write here. So I will suggest you to write down this is A point, consider, or it's a B point. Okay, so we just can write equal to it's a PB, and this is called PA. Is that clear? So we are to find out the total potential. Therefore, now total potential. Now total potential. What is total potential? Total potential V total is equal to 0. So what is the method of calculating total potential due to Q1? Here you will write, and potential due to Q2 is equal to 0. It's my own convenience that I'm writing V of the subscript Q1, right? It's help you to understand the symbolization. Okay, V for potential and Q1 due to Q1. Is that clear now? So go on writing this and to solve often answer. It's a K. Both the charges are placed in the space, so there is no media, and the electrostatics nature of the medium will not affect. Okay, the calculation is made in the space, and K is there. I will same for both. K, the Q1 charge is there, divided by what is distance here? X, and plus second K, Q2 charge here, and the distance is 15 minus X. So see guys here, that charge is given in the coulomb, right? But the distance is in the centimeter. This is very important that when we are solving the question, you just always have to take the unit is in the meter. 15 into 10 raised to the power minus. Right now, so here will same unit will come here. This okay is equal to 0. So taking the same unit, for this to be taken as x meter, and there 15 minus x meter. Here as also said. Clear? Since it is equal to 0, so easily can be solved here. What is Q1? So Q1 will be here kk common, and this equation is equated to 0 right now. So kk can cancel. What is Q1? Q1 is 3 into 10 to the power minus 8, and it's x also, plus next is Q2 minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 8. The minus will make it negative. Later it's what here, 15 minus x is equal to 0. 10 raised to power minus the quantity which are having same magnitude and value in the terms can be cancelled. It shall be 3 by x and plus what next is the plus minus minus 2 by 15 minus x is equal to 0. This whole term can be transferred to the right side. 2 by 15 minus x and 3 by x. What will it is? It's a 45 minus 3x and it's a 2x. It shall be 5x and it's a 45. Tell please what will come x? The x will come 9 centimeter. It means that you will place the P point at 9 centimeter rightward, okay, and 6 centimeter from the Q2 at leftward, where the potential will be 0. Is that clear? This is the numerical spectrum. Actually, numerical why you have to do? Numerical actually tests your concept very clear or not. Right now, whenever you study any theory about any concept. Is that clear? That sometimes the understanding degree is less or more. When you start solving numerical and your result or estimation comes very clear and very exact, it means their concept got in the class is very clear. Is that clear? So I suggest you to solve the numerical always. Okay, now see the next please. So total potential is there. So total potential at 9 centimeter will be here. So another question is there also. The two figures have been given here. This is that clear? The two figures are here. Electrostatic potential. Please have a look. The question number 3rd also. The two system of charges are given here. One a positive charge is at here. Another a negative charge is here. Okay. The electric field lines, what is the pattern of the electric field line? The electric field line are this represented as away from this. Like this. Okay. And field line pattern due to negative is this. You always have to remember the field line pattern due to this is due to the field line pattern. Negative due to or this is due to positive. It's positive charge, negative charge. Two field line patterns are there. And what the questionnaire is asking? P and Q points, A and B points are there. Here the A point and here the B point. And it is P and it's a Q. Okay. What the question please? Write first question. Please write the answer question here. To see from the figure of electric field line about positive or negative charge, answer the following question. Answer the following question. First question. Give the sign of Vp minus Vq and Vp minus. First question. Sign of Vp minus Vq and Vp minus Pa. Vp minus Pa. First question. Second. Give the sign of potential energy difference. Give the sign of potential energy difference. Sign of potential energy difference. Sign of potential energy difference. Potential energy difference. Sign of potential energy difference of a small negative charge. Of a small negative charge. Small negative charge. Small negative charge. Negative charge between Q and P. Between Q and P and B BA. Okay, between Q and P BA. And third also, give the sign of work done by the field in moving moving a small positive charge. Work done in moving small positive charge. Work done in moving a small positive charge. Small positive charge. Okay, I will just explain this later. Small positive charge from Q to P and B to A. Okay, some more question later we'll discuss. Have a look on the board. As we know that the potential more closer to the positive charge is more, and potential more negative charge to the less. Is that clear? So what the question is asking? Sign of Vp minus Va. Tell please. Vp will greater or Vq will greater here? Vp will greater. So what will be the sign of Vp minus Vq? Positive. The method of writing answer. Okay. Vp minus Vq. You just have to write positive. Is that clear? Second, Vp minus Va. There will be the more charge, potential. Potential will at A more or will at B? B. So Vp minus Va will positive. The same method to write answer. It's also positive. Is that clear? Now second question. And I told you why to find out the potential also. Potential V is equal to, we have derived the basic Q. Q naught is to be brought here. The potential, electric potential at a point is the work done in bringing a unit positive charge. Unit wise, if you brought 10 coulomb charge at the point to how much work is to be done? Obviously, so per coulomb we need to find out here, right? So per coulomb, the work done in per coulomb in unit coulomb, and unit charge in bringing at a point in the electric field is said to be its potential. So what is the application of potential? In the 11th class I told you case of gravitational potential. Gravitational potential means there is Earth surface. Right now we have a mass m. Is that clear? This mass m. This mass m is to be projected at this P point. Is that clear or not? The position vector of the P point is with respect to the Earth is I given R here in the last class, right now. So gravitational potential formula we have derived yesterday here, G, got it or not? And this is M divided by R. Got you this? And the negative came here this. Is that clear? So this is the gravitational potential. The analogy of the formula here, G will take the form of K and M will take the form of what? Q, and the position vector is same here. This is the potential, electric static potential V. The formula we have derived. It's a K Q by R. Right now, in mechanical physics, where the mass is playing the role, the same role played by Q, charge. Okay, that is mass of energy. Again, the Q will give the concept here, the energy of electricity. Is that clear? Here, what mass is accelerated by? Force. Mass is accelerated by force. The charge will be accelerated by field E. What the F will play their role? The same role will be played here by E, electric field intensity. I am repeating this concept the second time here. F is equal to, we write Ma. In case of electricity, F we will write here what? Q into E. This is called mechanical force. This is called electric force. Q into E. Do you remember this or not? Okay. So we have to find what? Positive and negative charge I am talking. So second question, sign of potential energy. So potential energy is what? W is equal to, this is to be transferred here. W is equal to Q into V. It means the Q charge, the product of this here. So here we'll write down here K, and due to the charge here, this Q naught divided by R. Simple it is. It means this is the work done here. And work done, when you will bring the charge, and you need to do the force here. External force is being applied. Obviously, against repulsion, you will do the work. Right now. So your work is taken positive or negative? Your work is negative. And if the field means the work is done automatically, means charge itself is moving. means the system is making motion in the charge here right now, and the charge is just getting motion due to the system, and field is actually making the movement of the charge. So this is taken as a positive. Is that clear? Finally, I am telling you there is a positive charge here, and if you are bringing the charge toward the positive, means obviously doing the work against the repulsion. So your work is taken negative. More closer to the positive, more negative is there. Clear or not? Less closer against the away from the positive, less negative is there. Okay, and less negative is positive than the more negative. Is that clear now? See, so there is this is numerically equals to electrostatic potential. Sorry, potential energy. This can be given as U K Q1 Q2 divided by R. This is the formula for potential, and if you will multiply the potential by the given charge, okay, then it will be potential energy. So question is asking sign of potential energy difference of a small negative charge you are bringing. So small negative charge you are bringing, it means a small negative charge between Q and P, where the negative charge is there. So negative charge will here, it is negative charge you brought here. So negative charge obviously will be attracted or will be repelled? Will be attracted. Is that clear? It will be attracted here. So what we can say, between Q and P, the 2 points are here. So negative charge is at here between Q and P. The negative charge is at here. The more attraction it will experience. Where it will experience, tell me please. Between Q and P. If the negative charge is here, it will just come. So the external field do the work or the charge will attract it? Obviously the negative here, right now. So it will attract. Attract means more work is to be done here or here. Obviously here will be that is okay. So QP minus QV will be negative or positive. The difference between the work and you will bring the object from P to Q or Q to P. Potential energy always the same here. Clear? So what is the sign of that potential energy? The negative or positive? Positive. Clear? Work done. Sign of potential energy difference negative or so due to the listen here of small negative charge. Small negative charge. So potential energy formula is this. Just we can give here this difference. So Q and P. So potential energy K, it's a Q1 positive charge and Q2 is negative charge. Here we will take Q2 negative charge. Clear? Q1 and Q2. And the position vector here will what? Between P and Q. So R. Second difference we have to find out. Okay. The difference will be what again? K, and second is what here? This difference is there. It's a del R, we can speak here. Clear? So work will be positive or negative? Second, next question is that. Is that clear? Again, in the case of A and B, what will be the negative and positive? Obviously, in this case, it is coming positive. So in this case, will come positive and negative. Negative charge is there. It will repel. It means from this to this. Potential energy same here. Energy always same here. Right now, B to A or A to B will be positive or negative? Negative or positive? Negative. Why negative? It is tell please. Potential energy. Next question. So the difference between VBA will what will here always the energy is taken here positive. Why? Because the difference energy cannot be here negative. In moving a small positive charge from Q to yes. Third question. What the third question is saying here? In the case of third question, sign of work done in P to Q. Obviously, if you will bring Q to P, so work will be done against against field. Field is to be done work here, to do work here. External field. If the external field do the work is negative or positive, negative it is called. Clear? And if this will do the work, then work will be taken positive. So work is negative in this case, and here you are bringing positive charge. So attraction is causing this, means it is doing the work. It will be positive. So work done by a positive small moving charge from this to this positive it will be, and work in positive charge in case this will be negative, right? If negative charge you will bring here, the work done will be positive. Is that clear? In the same case here. Now next question, what is it saying? Does the kinetic energy of a small negative charge increase or decrease going from A to B, B to A? The next question, what is it saying? Does the kinetic energy of a small negative charge, B to A, there is negative charge. Listen guys, negative charge. Clear? It's going from B to A. Its kinetic energy will increase or decrease. Obviously at B it will be faster than, right? When it will go negative more closer to negative, it will have to face a repulsion. So when anything is moving toward roughly very speedily, right now, and going to the toward the same nature of charge, so its speed will increase or decrease. Decrease. Obviously it will decrease here. So speed will decrease. Means kinetic energy at B will be more or at A will be more. B. So difference of, obviously it's a bigger minus a smaller or a smaller minus bigger. A smaller minus bigger. The answer is what? Negative. So the sign of kinetic energy from B to A is negative. Now look the question next please. The equipotential surface is to be drawn here. Equipotential surface. Just you write question here. Draw the equipotential surfaces. Assignment I am giving you. Draw the equipotential surfaces. Draw the equipotential surfaces due to a system of two equal and opposite charges. Equipotential surface due to a system of equal and opposite charges. Equal and opposite charges. Draw the equipotential surfaces due to system of equal and opposite charges. Equal and opposite charges and equal charges. The two systems here. Due to a dipole and due to an equal. An equipotential surface, the last time I have discussed with this. Okay, tomorrow we'll discuss your relationship between the electric field and potential difference. Is that clear guys? Right now? Thank you, it's fast, right? We'll do the work please.